Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I came up with a different scenario. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding in DAX as well as Power BI. Now let's go to the Power BI desktop. There you can understand the today's video demo. So time being, already I have designed the report, so I'm going to explain each and every step what I've done here. So before getting the details of the report, let me explain what are the tables I have imported from the Excel. So if you notice here, dim customer, dim date, dim geography, dim product, dim product category, dim product subcategory, sales territory, internet sales. So these are the tables I have imported from the Excel, and also we'll try to understand what kind of relationship I have established between the dimension tables and fact tables. So understanding relationship, it's very important in Power BI. We'll try to look into that. So just click on model, collapse these two, scroll on a little bit. Now we can see that already I have enabled the relationship between the dimension tables and fact tables. For example, if I place the mouse here, so we can see that based on this key column, I have enabled the relationship between the dim product and a subcategory. Even you can see that what kind of direction, it's like a one direction to many direction. It means that filter propagation flowing from the subcategory to product table. So like that I have enabled the relationship for other tables also. You can place mouse anywhere, so you can see that on which key basis we have enabled the relationship. So like that I have designed the relationship. So going forward I'll try to speak more on this, but we'll try to focus timing on today's report only. Just click on report. So already I have designed this, but here you can see that this is the matrix visual. So in this we have two levels. One is the region, another one is the product. So each region, what are the products and what kind of sales and what is the percentage of contribution with respect to the region. And also we have one slicer, so this is the date slicer, and this is the card visual. So whatever the slicing we are doing by using date, we are just capturing and keep it in card visual, so that easily we can understand from this date to this date we are seeing the sales data. So I'll try to take the snipping and I'll explain. So here we have region. So these are the regions: Australia, Canada, France, Germany, United Kingdom, United States. So each region wise, this is the sales amount. With respect to each region, we have the sales amount. So this is overall sales. Okay, this is the overall sales. It's not getting filtered by any of the region. So, and I am taking the percentage of each region comparing to the overall sales. For example, in this case, what is the sales percentage of Australia comparing to the all sales? So what is the all sales? 18238686. So when comparing to this sales amount with all, what is the percentage of 22.45? Like that. Canada, what is that? 12%. France 9, United Kingdom, United States, something like that. So I have calculated the percentage of contribution each region wise when comparing to the all sales. Okay, now I'll go to the report. So this is, as I explained, so it's taking the percentage of contribution each region wise. For example, when I do the slicing, when I do the date range, immediately we are changing the numbers based on the slicer. But here it's not changing anything. Now you can see, observe also, it's not, even though I am changing the slicer, it's not changing, because so here I'm just ignoring all the filters coming from either region or date. I'm just ignoring all the filters. Okay, I'm ignoring all the filters. That is the reason why it's not changing at all, even though I'm changing date slicer, right? But here it's taking percentage getting changed. Why? Means, so in this date period these are the sales amount each region wise. In this date period, this is the sales amount each region wise. So now if we take the percentage of this sales amount with respect to the overall percentage, this is in this period, this is the sales amount. If you take the percentage with respect to comparing the overall sales, all sales, then you'll get 17.61. Okay, like that each region we are getting the percentage. But when I reset the filters, now I'll back to the 22.45. But whenever I do the slicing, you will see the percentage getting changed based on this. That is the reason why we are getting the percentage different. We are not getting 100%. Okay, so now we'll drill down to further level. We'll try to understand. So this is also same thing only. I'll try to reset the filters. Now you can see that so in Australia regions, these are the products. In Australians, these are the products, and with respect to each product, these are the sales amount. Okay, this is the sales amount. So this is the overall sales. Even it's not getting filtered by with respect to the product wise. We are ignoring all the filters. So that is the reason it's not taking any of the filters. So now it is taking the percentage of in this product, what is the contribution with respect to the all sales in Australia region. In Australia region, this product, what is the percentage of contribution? 0.08. But when it comes to Canada, see, in respect to Canada, this product, so this is the contribution. So like that, each region has the percentage of contribution with respect to the each product wise in the specific region. Even if you do the slicing, it's getting changed. Now you can see. So 1.23. For example, if you notice AWC logo cap, so it's 1.23. But whenever I do the slicing, now you can see the 0.7 because so this sales amount within this period only. Okay, so within this period only this sales amount. So but we are comparing percentage of sales, overall percentage of sales. Okay, so that is the reason we are getting 0.7, not 1.23, because in this period this is the sales amount, but we are comparing to all the sales amount. So that is the reason we are getting 0.7. So like that, so I have created the expression and all. Even you can notice that there are some background colors you can observe. So based on the sales amount, now I'll try to show them background colors. So sales amount, conditional formatting, background color, it's getting open. Now you can see that I have applied some rules. So there are 1 2 3 4 6 rules I have applied. Based on the numbers, I want to display this color, so that is the reason. So you can see the different colors. Even you can see the for the sales percentage measure also we can see the background color. I'll try to show that is also background color. So it's taking here in this case I'm not taking the rules and all, I'm just applying the default diverging. So based on that it's giving the background color for this sales percentage measure. So I'll try to show the measures also. It's very simple only, it's not complicated. So I'll try to zoom it. So for getting the sales amount, I have used the calculate sum x function. So for the percentage, so sales amount divided by all sales and 0. So date range, so we are very familiar with this expression under all sales. So here I'm just ignoring all the sales, all the filters coming from any of them, and also finally I'm just validating if the sales amount is blank, written the blank, otherwise written what are the expression I have written, so it will execute. So that's all for today's report. I hope you like this report. If you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email drop your comments in the comment section so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. So we'll try to see in the next video. Stay tuned for the videos. Thank you so much for watching.